Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a ATC swap. It's a hashtag WCATC swap. This swap is run by Steph, and if you want to join us, you can go over to her channel, and every 15th of each month she puts new pairs together. So this month I was paired with lovely Lorna Callahan, and she sent me this beautiful card and a message inside saying thank you for swapping. And she made this card, as you can see. She used beautiful papers from, I think the paper part I had from Works as well. I remember those papers. It says hello, and those third pumpkins over here. So that's the card, and that's the beautiful ATC she created for me. Stop dreaming, start doing. Yes, I think I'm going to keep it on my desk in a place where I can see it, so I actually start to act on certain things, certain ideas. So yes, I love this ATC. Thank you so much, Lorna. And it says hashtag WSATC swap. Instagram likes all colors, especially pinks and green shades. 1 of 1, September 2023. So I'm just wondering if she drew that lady, or is it a stamp? Maybe that's a stamp. I love this. I think it's oxide, distress oxides background, and this beautiful sticker with the flower. Beautiful ATC. I'm going to share mine, which I sent to her at the end of this video, so you can check it out and see what I've done for her. So thank you so much, Lorna. It's really nice to have one of your ATCs, and I think that was the first time we were partnered together, because I can't remember having swapping with you before. So thank you so much for that. And in that second part of this video, you will see what I created for Lorna and a card. So yes, thank you so much. I think it was in July or August, I can't even remember. I think it was August. I was partnered with Lorna, and because at the end of the month I was away and she was celebrating her birthday, I emailed her saying that don't send anything yet because I will be away, and I will let you know when I will be ready to post it. So we are doing the swap a bit later, so but it's totally my fault. Anyway, so I was thinking, because of her birthday, I'm sending her a late birthday card, and I really like this image. And this one is from Textures collection. It's from this set. It's from a geometric collection, and it's this stamp which I stamped and cut out and colored it with watercolors. And even that gold paint, it's actually gold watercolor paint, and I loved playing with that. I thought it looks really nice. I was playing with it and I really like this image, so I thought it would be nice to create a clean and simple birthday card. So I used a pink matte, a layer which is embossed with this again Lisa Horton embossing folder. This one is 6x6 and it's called padded quilt. I love this design, and I think it's perfect for so many different occasions, for invitations if you do invitations. So I'm really happy with this. Watercolors are by Lisa Horton as well. I had a voucher, £20 off voucher for Lisa Horton Crafts website, so I got those watercolors. Let me show you how they look like, and I use them to color that image. So it's a really nice palette, and it says, let me check it out again, 18 solid colors and 6 metallic colors plus the water brush. And I use this gold over here. It's so pretty, and you can see there is a blue, green, fuchsia, silver, and light gold. This one is like an antique gold, and I love this palette. So I will try to link it below the video so you can check it out. So that's the card I made for Lorna, and also of course I made her ATC. I was thinking to use the same flowers, but I really love this paper pad. This paper pad is called Butterfly Kisses. It's by Dove Craft, and I really love the color palette. Pinks, purples, and greens with a silver foiling. I think it's very pretty, and yes, I love using that paper pad, so I thought I'm going to use this on my ATC. I put a strip of pink paper, and I use my fine liner to highlight the edges with the black, and I draw like a frame around it as well, because this ephemera piece had that black around it, so I thought I will match it with a pen as well. And I use a Tim Holtz sticker over here at the bottom, and I think it looks really nice. I hope she will like it. And let me know, what do you think about this swap? Do you like it? Do you think the card looks nice? And what do you think about ATC as well? So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, your comments, and yeah, yes, I'm looking forward to read more comments from you guys. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.